got a new hood. What is up, guys? Welcome back. If you are new here, I am Mark. This is my channel. I kind of devote it mostly to cars in my life, but here's what's it. So the last time you guys seen this car, I hadn't picked up this hood. I actually picked it up over the weekend on top of one other thing. So I haven't filled you guys in on a lot that has happened off camera because I haven't picked it up in a while due to certain issues. So it's hard to record and show you guys everything, but scored us some new shop goodies. But number 2 on the agenda to show you guys is the fact that we cleared some space. The smelly, gross, stinky 240 that I picked up is actually gone. I sold it over the weekend and coincidentally also picked up a hood. So with that being said, we got some free space. This project, maybe we can start undoing it to get our 240 going. Who knows? I don't know, man. I'm still up in the air. And in time, you guys will see that VQS13 is probably going to take that engine. So yeah, stay tuned. So yeah, we scored a new hood. 240 scored some parts too. And today I figured because I'm here, I got some time to kill, let's do something really super easy, simple, clean, and that is mock up our new hood. Now to mock up the hood, it's really simple. Literally 4 bolts and then the latch in the front, and then we're good to go. But I know it is orange. It no longer goes with any colors that I have, but who knows, paint, wrap, it'll make no difference once the car is all together and we score a front bumper. We switched the bar up to give myself a little higher clearance. That way I can look at these bolts and try to remeasure. When they tell you, I got a guy that could do it for less. So, been trying to align the hood properly. It turns out that it actually isn't really my hood that so much. It's my hood latch. So I'm gonna retighten all of that, make sure it's all buttoned up. But we got that burst, our sunburnt orange hood. It's a really good price, and I got it dropped off for really cheap. A lot cheaper than what a lot of hoods are going for. Fortunately, because my previous hood was just so like oversprayed on it, so I still made out pretty well. Obviously we got a much better looking hood, much better conditioned hood, and yeah, if I decide to wrap the car or paint it, I guess it at least helps because the body lines are a lot cleaner, although it is chipping a lot. And it's got its scratch here as well as on the hood right here. The under panel, you can't really see much of it, but it's chipping as well, so just makes sense to obviously button all of this up and then go and get the car sprayed or wrapped. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this one. I don't really have any other special mods and stuff that I can incorporate into this, but if you liked what you saw, you learned how to put on a hood. It's real simple. Align yourself up pretty good in the front. 2 bolts on each side, size 12 millimeters, and just level it out properly. Don't be afraid to ask for help, but if you can't get any help like me today, it's real easy to knock it out. So yeah. Also, I forgot to mention, Let me see, because I know I have the keys here somewhere. Yes. So I've been doing a lot of work. Let me turn the lights on. So I've been doing a lot of work on this car while the cameras have been off, and I just wanted to show you guys some new little additions we got put into the car. So we now have the radio. Wow, I missed a good one. But we got the radio to work so we can actually function. And this is my old 4G Eclipse radio from back in the day. So those who know my Eclipse, if you haven't seen the old videos of the Eclipse, this is the same head unit. I just swapped it over into here. Those speakers that I spliced, clearly they work. So yeah, we've just made some slow, steady progress with this car as well as around the shop. So I just wanted to recap and tell you guys and just go over the fact that it's been tough to try to like record and keep my momentum going with moving as far as like getting things done that need to get done. But I was happy to actually get this done, show you guys that progress is going on. I need to, I guess, get a little more motivated to put out more content. So, you know, let me know in the comments below what you would want to see done next to this car. Thoughts on me getting rid of the other stinky S13. And yeah, kind of go to where to go from there. So I got some more plans coming up in the future with this Z as well as the 240, because I actually have a very exciting announcement coming very soon in the next video. But if you like what you've seen, like, comment, subscribe. We got more stuff coming in the future. Much love, much respect as always. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.